Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to enable biometric authentication on Takealot.com. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Takealot.com. Then you can see there are many options. Click on Account option at down right corner. Then you can see their account settings option. Click on it. Then click on Login and Security. You can see their biometric authentication option. Click on it. Then you can see their Enable biometric authentication option on this option. Then biometric authentication, register your biometric. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily enable biometric authentication on Takealot.com.